Hello, Flourish with family. It is fantastic to see you back at Flourish with Academy, where your coding skills flourish and grow. If this is your first time here, welcome. You're in the right place. In this section, we're delving into type conversion, a critical concept that ensures your code runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're just starting out or enhancing your skills, mastering type conversion is a must. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update from us. Let's get started. Today we'll be discussing type conversion, but before that, imagine having two liquids, one hot and one cold. You know these liquids are of two different types, hot and cold. To make them both either hot or cold, you need to convert them by either cooling or boiling, right? Type conversion works similarly in Python, but instead of converting liquids, you are converting data types. I already covered data types in our variable videos, so feel free to check that out if you missed it. Now let me show you what I mean with some code. Now, I'm going to be creating a variable with the string type, called string type rather, which is equal to input. And then I will say write the number 10 to 14. And then I'll put another variable called integer type equals to 10 string type. And then I'll print. So I'll say print type. And now I will execute this Python file. So I input 14. And we have an error. It's saying int type equals to 10 plus string type. Type error. You see, this is very important. Type error. Unsupported operand types for plus, this plus sign, integer and string. Now Python is telling us that we are trying to perform a math operation on two different types because of this addition sign. And I will get back to this later. But on this side, we have an integer type, and on this side we have a string type. Now, all we need to do to make this error go away is to use Python built-in function to convert from one type to the other. And these are the built-in functions that we have. Functions to convert. So input function. This is sorry about that. Convert from a string to an integer rather. We have 5. Then I just copy this. Then the next function is float. Then I will paste. Okay. Automation to float. And the float is of the 5.5. And the last one that I have is bool. A bool function. Then convert from a string to boolean. So it just be boolean volume. If true equals slash can't copy this. Okay, no bad. I started building functions that we have to convert from one type to the other. Then what we need to do right now is to have this string type inside this input, inside this integer function. And here we have it. And before that, I will show you that this string type is of the type string. And in one of our previous video, I used the type function to show you what a variable type is. So inside I have the string type and the other elements is give some space. So then I have print type into IQ. Then I will execute this file. When I have 40, I should see 50. And as you can see, we have class string and class integer. And this is to show you that this string type is of the class string and this integer type is of the class integer. And now, I want you to realize how intelligent Python is. If you look at this error earlier, it says unsupported operand types for this addition sign, integer and string. Then I will show you another example of this, of why Python is so intelligent. So this time, instead of having this, I will just move all this. Remove this and we have 10 here. And then we should call these types. Before we call that types, let's execute first. So I just re-execute that Python file and then I write 40. And what can you see again? Type error. Can only concatenate string, not integer. So what I'm trying to pull out here is that this is an expression. And this is also an expression. And an expression is a piece of code that produces a value. So when I executed this file, Python realized that we are just types. Don't realize that on the left hand side of this expression is an integer. And when you have the addition sign, which is this, what you are trying to do is to perform a math operation. And while in this one, when you have the string type and you have an addition sign, the next value on your right hand side should be of the type string. And what you are trying to do at that point is to concatenate. And that is why we're having this error of can only concatenate string. And that is why we had this type error of unsupported operand types for addition, integer and string. And now to rectify this, what I'm going to do is to convert this 10 into a string just by including it within that double quotation mark, and then I'm to go. Sorry about that. So, and as you can see, if I should re-execute this file, everything should work out perfectly. So if I add 40 here, I should be getting 50 and then 50 10, no, 40 10 rather. Okay, so because I didn't print this out is why we are not seeing it. So I'll just redo this, and so instead of doing that, let's just copy this and then write this here. Then I will re-execute. Then I write 40 again. As you can see, we're having 50 and then 40 10. And here you have it. Understanding type conversion is key to writing effective code that does exactly what you need to do. If you found this section helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for joining me today at Flourish Academy, where your coding skills grow with every lesson. See you in the next video.